Okay. Now we have read that Emperor Aurangzeb band stopped the playing of a musical instrument which was called pungi. These musical pungi was a instrument which was stopped by
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. And why did he stop the playing of pungi in his court?
Because it produced sound is
Because
very bad.
it had it had an unpleasant sound.
Sound, yes, sir.
Okay, pungi became the generic name. Generic name means in the historical name or noise makers. Noise makers means it produced noise. It was unpleasant, and from which
Yes,
it has been made from reed. Reed is a type of grass, which is a bamboo is also a grass. Have you heard that bamboo is a grass?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
Sir,
like that, reed is also a type of grass, but there is a hole in reed, and that hole produces the sound. That hole produces the sound. Is it clear?
Sound.
Okay. Just as bansuri is made of bamboo, like that, pungi was made of reed plant, reed grass. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Few had thought. Few, no के बराबर. A few means कुछ.
Yes.
A the few means
थोड़ा,
जो कुछ भी
बहुत ज्यादा.
थोड़े लो. जो कुछ भी थोड़े लो. The difference between few, a few, and the few, I have repeated it in your class when the class were running.
Yes, sir.
Yes, at that time I clarified the differences little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Here only few word has been used means no के बराबर. Means only जिसके count नहीं की जा सकती है. इतने इतने कम. Few had thought. Means only some people had thought that it would one day be revived, means regenerated. It will come again. Means pungi
Guided
will
मतलब.
come back again as an instrument. No one had thought. No one had thought that pungi will once again get its familiarity, its popularity in the world.
Popular, yes, sir. Renowned.
क्या आगे बढ़े?
Renowned, famous, popular. Yes, sir.
क्या क्या रोशन?
A renowned, popular, famous.
Renowned, popular, famous means it became dead because Aurangzeb stopped. But later it became once more familiar.
Popular.
But not
Yes, sir.
pungi. Not pungi. In another form it became popular. We will go. A barber of a family of a professional musician, Miss the barber, the barber's family, in the ancient family of the barber, there were many
Yes, sir.
musicians. Means in the dynasty of the barber, they were musicians. They played.
Yes, sir.
Who had access? Access means rich. Access.
Jada.
Access too much. Too much.
Nine access too much.
EXE.
Access means reach. REACS. Reach. पहुँच.
Yes, sir.
Access. It is
Okay,
sounded
sir.
asan. It is sounded access.
Yes, sir.
And what you have told the meaning that
Access.
access. That there is a difference between access
Oh,
and
Yes, sir. Access and access.
is it clear now? who
Yes,
had
sir.
access to the royal palace. Means that barber used to visit the palace, means the court Mughal emperor. In the court, the barber used to visit. Decided to improve the tonal quality of the food. That barber thought, because it was stopped by Aurangzeb, that the barber thought
Yes, sir.
improve the toning of its the toning quality of the food.
Beef for pungi.
Tones. The barber tried to produce a new tone with the pungi. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He chose. Choose means chunna. Chosen means select,
Please put out.
selected.
No.
Choose double O. Choose
Yes, sir.
double O.
Yes, sir. इसके
Single.
बाद सर सिंगल
Yes. He chose a pipe with a natural hollow. Hollow means hole. Hollow means hole. For example,
Hole.
reed,
Hole.
bamboo have hole. बम्बू से पिचकारी भी बनाते हैं.
यस सर
Actually.
बिटवीन टू नोड
मनीष, हम लोग इस बांस का बचपन में पिचकारी बनाते थे. अब तो मार्केट से खरीद के आता है बच्चों के लिए.
प्लास्टिक का.
बांस काट के लाते थे और उसका पिचकारी बनाते थे.
हम बनाए हुए थे सर.
अच्छा.
सर उसमें भी पिस्टन होता है सर.
Okay. With a natural hollow stem. Stem, you are familiar. Stem in science you have read. From the stem, that was longer and broader. Longer and broader than.
लंबाई और चौड़ाई.
Means that was longer and broader than the pungi. Means the new instrument which was made by the barber was longer and broader. Broad means
एंड ब्रॉड
longer and broader. Means
चौड़ा है सर.
क्या मनीष?
नहीं सर टोटल मतलब सर ब्रेथ चौड़ाई सर.
हाँ शॉर्टेस्ट.
Okay. आज थोड़े मन लग रहा है क्योंकि देर आर the four
और
have
अमन
the number 4 have opened the
डोर.
जूम
door. Yes.
ओपन भी किया.
Opened the door of class 9. Pungi and made
Yes, sir.
7 holes. Means in that long pipe, the barber made how many holes?
सर सॉन्ग
7.
7. Just as we have in bansuri. Have you seen the holes in bansuri?
यस सर.
नो सर.
Yes sir.
सर
Now
देखते
you
लेकिन
try
नहीं
to
पता.
now here you can judge the difference between whole and hollow.
सर हॉलो मतलब सर तो खोखला ना होता है.
Here you have both the words. Hollow.
सर द गैप बिटवीन टू नोड्स इन बम्बू.
Yes, whole.
Wow.
What is the difference between whole and hall? The hall means longer and broader. Broadness. Hollow has the broadness, and hole has is of a smaller size. Clear है? छिद्र दोनों का होता है.
यस सर.
On the body of the pipe, means that pipe had how many holes?
7.
7. When he played on it, is a subordinate clause or principal clause?
सर सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज.
Very good. And what is the principal clause?
Sir,
Closing and
closing
opening
and
some of
opening.
these holes.
Yes,
Some of these
when
holes.
he played on it, closing and opening some of these holes, ऐसे 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 closing and opening करते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
pipe पर.
Yes, sir.
Soft and melodious sounds were produced है क्या?
Come produce. Yes.
Yes, produced ही है. Rare है,
Produce.
इसलिए मैंने
Yes.
जज कर लिया कि produced होगा और वही है.
पर कमिंग नहीं हो सकता है सर, वाज कमिंग होगा
क्या मनीष?
सर. यहाँ पर कमिंग सर साउंड्स वेयर कमिंग नहीं हो सकता.
Sounds were coming.
Sounds
प्रोड्यूस
where?
की जगह पर
नहीं
सर
नहीं, अपने से नहीं आएगा मनीष, अपने से नहीं आता है, यह किसी के द्वारा किया.
जा रहा था तो चलो.
मनीष, यह अपने
Yes.
साउंड नहीं आता है,
यस
यह
सर.
किसी के द्वारा प्रोड्यूस किया जाता
Yes,
है,
sir.
इसलिए वेयर प्रोड्यूस
किया
हो गया, किसी के द्वारा, इसलिए पैसिव हुआ.
यस
The sound melodious sounds were
Yes.
produced is a principal clause. Melodious sounds were produced is
Yes, sir.
principal
यस
clause.
सर.
And when he played on it is subordinate clause. आगे बढ़े. ये
Clause.
हमारा this has become our language. ये हम लैंग्वेज अभी पढ़े. कहानी तो वो है
यस सर.
पुंगी वाला.
Yes.
He played the instrument the वह कौन जो which he had made.
यस
ये दिया आया है. He played the instrument which he had newly made before royalty, means before the emperors, and everyone was impressed with the pungi or the new
By him.
instrument. With what they were happy. With what they were
सर he discovery a
new instrument. Tell me, they were happy with the new
सर
instrument.
longer bro.
Yes,
यस सर उसमें longer and broader था.
yes, the new instrument. The instrument so different from the pungi. This instrument was different from the pungi. Had to be given a new name, because it was not the characteristic, the feature of this instrument was not like the pungi. So the name of this musical instrument should be given another name.
Name.
वो उसके जैसा, it was not like that. Neither the feature nor the characteristics, the tone, the music of this instrument was like that pungi. So it should be given a new name. The instrument so different from the pungi had to be given a new name. As the story goes, according to the story, since it was first played in the Shah's chambers, means in the Shah's chambers, means in the court of the emperor, and was played by a nai, means barber. The Shah से Shah, barber means nai. Shah nai. Shah
sir.
means king.
Sahanai. Yes, sir.
Shah means king. है ना? The emperor.
Yes, sir.
And nai means barber. That's why it was given a new name, Shah Nai, and later it
Sahanai.
Sahanai. Is it clear? May I move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
It was
Yes, sir.
Shah's chamber. Chamber means the court of the king. and was played by a nai means barber. It was played खेला गया past indefinite passive. हमेशा ध्यान देना है रोशन
Yes, sir.
वो स्ट्रक्चर पर हर
Yes,
कदम
sir.
हर कदम पर वही स्ट्रक्चर, हर कदम पर झांसर खड़े हैं हिदायत देने के लिए, या तो लिखते समय
Yes,
या
sir.
बोलते समय, बगैर उसके जहां उसमें डगमगाया आपका मीनिंग बदल जाएगा। ओके, the
Yes, sir.
here how
Sorry.
I came to us. Okay, the sound of the Sahnai began. Past in
Shuru. Start.
Sir, understand.
the sound of the Sahnai began to be considered. ये पैसिव है मनीष, टू बी कंसीडर, टू कंसीडर, टू
Yes, sir.
कंसीडर टू हुआ विचार करने के लिए, टू बी कंसीडर्ड विचार किए जाने के लिए। These all sweets are Roshan will eat all sweets. Change it into passive. Roshan will eat all the sweets.
Sweets.
Sir, all the sweet will be eaten by the Roshan.
Sweets will be
All
eaten by
sweets
Roshan.
will be eaten by Roshan. And
Roshan.
हाँ, these sweets are Roshan are to eat. Roshan is to eat all these sweets. इसका बनाइए। Roshan
All the sweets.
सर क्या है?
Roshan is to eat all these sweets.
All these sweets is being eaten by the Roshan.
All sweets is being eaten by Roshan.
All sweets are
Eaten by Roshan.
नहीं, to be eaten.
Eaten by Roshan.
To be eaten. R के बाद to be
Yes, sir.
eaten. क्लियर
To
है?
be eaten by Roshan.
हाँ,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
जरूरत नहीं है अभी।
सर दूसरा पर भी ले लीजिए, आशीष पर।
लड्डू है ये नहीं है और मुस्कुरा रहा। हाँ। हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
अब एक बार
Yes,
बोल
sir.
तो रोशन इज टू ईट है, तो टू ईट को बदल देंगे हम टू बी ईटेड। तो टू कंसीडर है तो क्या हो जाएगा?
सर क्या बोल?
Sir, to be considered.
टू बी कंसीडर्ड।
To be considered.
वेरी गुड।
Consider, not sir, considered.
और इसका क्या होगा? हैव टू डू।
Sir, have to do.
Have to do.
Will have to do.
Have to be done.
वेरी गुड।
Will have to be
बी डन।
done.
अब पता चल गया इन्फिनेटिव टू का
Thank you,
पैसिव
sir.
कैसे
Thank you.
बनता है। चलिए
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यही
Yes, sir.
The sound of the Sahnai began to be considered auspicious. Auspicious means मंगलमयी। Auspicious means मंगल।
मंगलमय।
हाँ, inauspicious means अरे auspicious means मंगल, तो inauspicious means अमंगल।
अमंगल।
हाँ, अशुभ। auspicious means शुभ कार्य
अशुभ। Yes, sir.
और inauspicious means अशुभ। क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका दूसरा इंग्लिश होता
Yes,
है
sir.
गुड ओमेन एंड बैड ओमेन। ओके, And for this
Good omen or bad omen?
and for this reason it is still played, is played, still को गोली मारिए, the is played मतलब
इस प्लेट खेला जाता है,
क्या खेलिए,
खेला जाता है।
सहनाई से खेल लीजिए।
नहीं सर, बजाया जाता है।
यस
यस सर।
गाया जाता है। इट इज स्टिल प्लेड,
जैसे प्ले मतलब बजाना, म्यूजिक।
यह अब भी बजाया जाता है, स्टिल मीन्स अभी भी बजाया जाता है इन टेम्पल एंड इज
मंदिरों में।
इंडिस्पेंसेबल, इंडिस्पेंसेबल मीन्स अनिवार्य।
यस सर।
मीन्स अनिवार्य। कंपोनेंट ऑफ एनी नॉर्थ इंडियन वेडिंग, नॉर्थ इंडियन वेडिंग मतलब उत्तरी भारत में वेडिंग जो होती है, शादी जो होती है, इट इज सपोज दैट दिस शहनाई इज ए ब्लेसिंग और ऑस्पिशियस म्यूजिक। कहाँ? नॉर्थ भारत में, यूपी बिहार, दिल्ली, हरियाणा, नॉर्थ इंडिया।
सर आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है
मेरा।
ये सर उतना नहीं आ रहा है सर।
हाँ, ये तो चलेगा, जूम पर ऐसे ही चलेगा। जूम पर झूम करके पढ़िए।
जूम पर धूम होके चलेगा।
जूम पर झूम करके पढ़ेंगे, मतलब कभी आएगा, कभी सुनाई देगा, कभी नहीं देगा, एकदम झूमते रहना। ओके। Indispensable component of any North Indian wedding is played in front of the temple. It is also played when the wedding ceremony takes place in North India. North India में जब wedding ceremony होता है, शादी होता है, तो शहनाई बजते रहता है कि नहीं? शहनाई सुने हैं शादी में?
क्या सर?
यस सर।
हाँ। In the past means in ancient time, the शहनाई was
सर आपका आवाज नहीं है।
तो टीवी जैसा आवाज आ रहा है, जब सर टीवी नहीं चलता है वैसा।
और अभी आपका आवाज कैसे आया बताएं? जैसे गिटार बज रहा हो उस प्रकार से। ओके। नॉर्थ इंडियन वेडिंग क्लियर है? दी शहनाई वाज पार्ट ऑफ दी नौबत और ट्रेडिशनल in symbol
यस सर।
हाँ, ट्रेडिशनल मीन्स पारंपरिक है।
जैसे
एज ए ग्रुप आप देखेंगे शहनाई के साथ और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रहते हैं।
यस सर।
Of 9 instruments means it is a component, has the components of 9 instruments found at
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा है।
अब थोड़ा देर और है, उसके बाद बंदे हो जाएगा।
तुम बंद करेगा तब ना।
जितना सुनाई पड़ रहा है उतना सुनते रहिए। जो आ गया वो आपका है, जो नहीं आया वो हवा में है। ऐसा ही जब कोरोना ही का डर ऐसा हो गया है। ओके। रिसेंटली मीन्स अभी कुछ दिन
Yes, sir.
it was used, इस्तेमाल
उपयोग
उपयोग किया गया है।
किया
उपयोग
गया,
किया गया।
किया जाता
हाँ किया गया। यदि किया गया
है। Yes, sir.
है तब तो हो जाएगा हैड बीन यूज्ड, तब हो जाएगा किया
यस सर।
गया है। The was used
Yes, sir.
only in temples and wedding. Till now, अभी तक. The where are Sahnai? Where is Sahnai used?
Sir, in temples and wedding.
सर
Wedding.
हाँ शादी में.
वेडिंग होता
Yes,
है,
sir.
वेडिंग नहीं।
The
Yes.
credit for the credit for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah
सर
Khan.
सर दिस इज अ पर्सन
Yes, Bismillah Khan is a
was Sahnai.
the great player of Sahnai. He was also he has been awarded. He has got many awards. And even from Jawaharlal Nehru, he has got the awards for playing Sahnai. So this instrument came to the classical stage and it was taught by Bismillah Khan. Clear? It means that Bismillah
Yes, sir.
was a great player of Sahnai. As a 5-year-old, when Bismillah Khan was only 5 years old, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Danda. He used to play Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is a familiar game.
Yes, sir.
Even
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Manish is sleeping.
हाँ, मनीष खेलता है।
Near a pond. The where
Yes, sir.
who did play Gilli Danda?
Sir, yeah.
सर
Bismillah.
बिस्मिल्लाह खान।
Bismillah. And where did he
In
play?
5 sir near the pond.
Yes.
Sir, the pond.
In the ancient state of Dumrao. Dumrao is a town. When
Dumrao,
you go from
बिहार।
hello, when you will go from Patna to Banaras, in the middle of Patna to Banaras, there is a town Dumrao, Buxar. Buxar is a town. Dumrao is near Buxar. Then, yes, in Bihar. He is in Bihar. He would regularly go to the nearby Biharji temple. There was a temple which name was Biharji temple, and he, Bismillah Khan, used to go there. He would earn. वह जाया करते थे युद्ध को. I have told you.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, used to play, खेला करते थे, used to।
The would is equal to used to. Used to is equal to would, and would is equal to used to. And he would earn big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. A laddu of 1 kilo 25 gram kg laddu he used to get when he used to go to play Sahnai. Is it clear?
Yes sir।
Yes sir. When did Bismillah Khan get laddu?
Yes sir।
When did Bismillah Khan get a laddu? When did Bismillah Khan get a laddu? When he used to go to play Sahnai in
Near the
Biharji temple. है ना?
yes sir.
A prize as a prize given by the local Maharaja. The local Maharaja of Biharji temple.
The temple.
In
Yes sir, we have the temple.
he was given big laddu of 1 kg 25 grams. This happened 80 years ago. 80 साल पहले. 80 years ago, when our
So 1940.
India had not become free. Our India was
Independence.
yes, before the independence. Are the highest
The
at a
1940.
little boy, at that time he was a little boy.